Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can automatically remove gaps and silence in your video using CapCut. In order to do so, here we are in CapCut, and first thing you're going to want to do is create a project and import your media, which we've done here. Once you have done that, then what you're looking for is this icon right here. It says transcript. So we're going to go ahead and click on transcript. Now, I've already analyzed this, so it is opening up right away. However, if you are just doing this the first time, then you're going to find that it's going to take about 30 seconds to a minute, depending on the length of your video, in order to analyze the transcript. Once this has completed, then you're going to see here up at the top, it says remove filler words. So if you click that, then you'll see here that it has identified where the gaps are, and it has specified there what needs to be removed. So then if we click here where it says delete, then you can see here now it has automatically removed all of those parts from our video, and we have automatically removed all of the silences and the filler words. Once you're done with that, then you can go ahead and export your project, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.